In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all images from trash folder automatically in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to permanently remove specific images you no longer need, or clear everything in one go for a completely clean slate. Start on the Canva home page. At the top left, open the main menu. Then look toward the bottom of that panel and choose Trash. This section is where Canva keeps items you've removed from your projects. Before you go further, make sure you are in the correct account or workspace, so you don't accidentally delete something from the wrong place. Once you are in Trash, switch to the Images tab. This filters the view so you are only looking at image files, useful if your trash also contains designs, videos, or other assets. Taking a moment to focus on images will help you avoid deleting anything you might still need elsewhere. If you want to permanently remove only certain images, select the thumbnails of the ones you are sure you no longer need. When you select items, an action bar appears along the bottom of the screen. Click Delete Permanently. Canva will ask you to confirm, and once you do, those images are removed for good. Because this action can't be undone, it's smart to double-check each image before confirming. You can open an image to preview it, or hover to make sure the file is actually the one you intend to delete. If your goal is to wipe everything in the trash at once, use the one-click route. Look to the top right and select Empty Trash. Canva will prompt you to confirm by clicking Delete All. This instantly and permanently removes all items stored in trash. Keep in mind that Empty Trash clears everything in the folder, not just images. If you want to preserve any non-image items, handle those first before you confirm. A few quick tips to keep things tidy and safe. Use the Images tab to stay focused, and take a moment to scan the contents before deleting. If you are working on a team, confirm you are in the right brand or workspace, so you don't remove shared assets unintentionally. And remember, permanent deletion frees up storage but can't be undone. So treat that final confirmation as the point of no return. That's it. Thanks for watching.